Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Dost, my dear friends. I'm back again with another job notification for all of you. This time the job notification is coming from Bharat Electronics Limited, BEL. This notification is dated 14th of August 2023. Okay, now they require outstanding personnel for Ghaziabad unit on a fixed term basis. Now, number of posts for Deputy Engineer Mechanical is 18, for which you need a BE, BTech, BSc Engineering with a 1 year experience. The upper age limit is 28 years, which is for a tenure of 5 years. That is, it is a fixed tenure job after which you will be let go. Deputy Engineer Electronics, 16 vacancies are there. The upper age limit is 28 years and it is a tenure of 3 years. You need a minimum 1 year of experience after your degree. Now, this vacancy is only, remember, for a limited period. This vacancy is only for the experienced candidates. For upper age limit for general candidate 28 years, OBC 31, SC ST 33 and PWBD is 10 years extra. Pay scale is 40,000 to 1,40,000 and in addition to basic pay, you will get DA, HRA, 35% of basic pay as prerequisite, PRP, performance related pay, medical facility, PF, gratuity as per the company policy. You need to have a BE BTech of 4 years from a AICTE approved college and you need to be first class in your BTech degree. Your percentage should be such that. For electronics, EC, ETC, communication and telecommunication, these branches can apply. Okay. So, candidate whose discipline mentioned in the relevant degree certificate do not match with the discipline in the advertisement will not be considered for selection. If your branch is nothing out of these, you will not be considered for selection. So, do not ask whether triple E can apply, whether electrical can apply. Only these branches will be considered. Okay. You must have a provisional final degree certificate as a proof of completion of degree. Okay. And if your university is following a system of CGPA, you need to have a conversion certificate where your college states how to convert CGPA to a percentage. Now, equivalent experience of minimum 1 year post your degree. For electronics, what is the experience? In design, development, testing, installation, commissioning, maintenance of electronics and communication systems such as high-end server, workstation, UPS, storage, network switches, computer hardware. So all the networking devices, if any networking device you have worked on for 1 year in the maintenance, installation, testing, anything that will be considered. They will always prefer the knowledge in operating system. You must have a knowledge of OS and any knowledge in these domains, software development, managing IP protocols and RDBMS management, that is database management. Job specification are for site installation, commissioning, operation, maintenance, support, design, production, testing, production assurance, quality assurance, sales, commercial marketing. All these jobs are there. And the customer site where you will have to visit, you will be posted in the Ghaziabad location, but you might have to visit the customer site in Gujarat, Delhi, Karnataka, Rajasthan, UP. All these states are mentioned. Okay. Initial posting at any location is in the hands of BL management and they can also rotate you. That is, they can also post you anywhere during your cycle. They can keep changing your location. That is also up to them. So the selection will be based on a written test followed by an interview. Okay. And the interview will be held at Delhi NCR. Candidate belonging to General OBS EWS, you need to submit 400 rupees plus GST. SC, ST, PWBD do not need to submit any application fees. You need to pay the application fees online and you have to enter the SBI Collect reference number generated after the payment in the online application form. So you will pay through the SBI Collect facility and then you will enter the reference number. So make sure you take the screenshot of that transaction. Okay. E-challan generated after making the payment has to be uploaded under documents. So with the documents, with your relevant documents, you will also upload the e-challan. Okay. So you can go through the you can go through the concerned notification. We'll put the link in the description. You can go through that notification in detail and check if you are eligible or not before applying. because this is a fixed term job. This is not a long term job. Documents required are the scanned passport size photograph, date of proof of birth, proof of date of birth is class 10th certificate, class 12th mark sheet of all semesters and final degree certificate, proof of norms of conversion of pointer or CGPA to the percentage, caste certificate, post qualification work certificate, write up mentioning your roles and responsibilities where you had the post qualification certificate. If you are working in a government company, you need a NOC. And if you are employed on a temporary basis in a government or a quasi government or a PSU, you must submit the offer of appointment and the latest pay slip, e-challan. And if you do not submit all these documents, even if you miss one of these documents, you will be disqualified. Okay. These are certain general conditions which you can go through, beta, and you can check whether or not you are eligible before applying. The online applications have started from 14th of August and they will end on 9th of September. Return test will be in first week of October. This is the link where you can message, you can mail for any clarification. This is the email ID. Okay. So make sure you visit the link and you check your eligibility. And if you are a GATE 24 or a GATE 25 aspirant, beta, you can join our batches right now. We are running a flat 20% discount along with the free test series. You can visit our app, you can visit our website and become a part of these batches. And in case you have any query or you wish to talk to me, message on our WhatsApp number 70890475561. Along with it, if you have any queries related to this notification, do mention that in the comment section. I'll reply to each and every comment of yours. Okay. And please share this as much as possible to the people who might be needing this job, who might be needing a temporary job as of now to support their expenses. So make sure that you share it with the concerned people, share it in your group so that anybody who is in the need of such kind of a job may be benefited. Thank you everyone. Take care.